Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very good, fit and fine. So today we are going to starting a workbook solution of Topsy-Turvy Land. This unit number 7 we have already completed in our textbook. Now we are going to that workbook solution on page number 13. So let's start with the question number 1. Answer the questions. Okay. So here, how do the people walk in Topsy-Turvy Land? So we can say that in Topsy-Turvy Land the people walk upon their heads. But actually में हमें पता है कि जितने भी पर्सन होते हैं people वो कैसे चलते हैं by on their feet. But in Topsy-Turvy Land वहाँ पे सब कुछ upside down है, right? मतलब जो उल्टा है वो वहाँ उनके लिए सीधा है और जो हमारे लिए सीधा है वो उनके लिए उल्टा है, ठीक है? So we can say that people walk upon their heads. Now what is the sea made of in Topsy-Turvy Lands? So actually में sea किससे बनता है? पानी से बनता है ना. But in that Topsy-Turvy Land the sea made up of sand. When do the children go to school in Topsy-Turvy Land? So actually the children go to school in the morning, but in Topsy-Turvy Land children go to school at night time. So where is the front door steps is in Topsy-Turvy Land? But front door actual में आगे होता है ना. But in Topsy-Turvy Land it is steps is at the back side. Okay. So in Topsy-Turvy Land what are people doing when they stand? So in Topsy-Turvy Land people are walking when they stand. Where do the people wear their hats in Topsy-Turvy Land? They wear their hats upon their feet. पाँव में ही अपनी हेड को वो पहनते हैं. Where do the buses and boats travel in Topsy-Turvy Land? In Topsy-Turvy Land boats travel in the streets and buses travel on the sea. Okay, बोट होती है वो पानी में चलनी चाहिए, बट वहाँ पे कहाँ पे चलती है? रोड पे चलती है, on a street. And the buses are travel on the road, but actually वहाँ पे कहाँ पे चलती है? On the sea. So वहाँ पे सब कुछ upside down है. Now it's one in the poem. If the buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? How should it rightly be? In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then boats travel in the street, and they should travel on the sea as rightly be. Actually में वो कहाँ चलती है? sea में चल रही है, but actually वो कहाँ पे चल रही है? On a street, जिसे हम रोड कहते हैं. So in Topsy-Turvy Land, what do people pay for? In Topsy-Turvy Land, people pay for what they don't get. Now 10th one, in Topsy-Turvy Land what are people doing when they go? So in the Topsy-Turvy Land when people coming back, here people are coming back when they go. जब आपको उन्हें जाने के लिए कहता है तो वो घूम के फिर से वापस आ जाते हैं, coming back. Okay. Now question number 2, write the correct option from MCQs. In Topsy-Turvy Land people walk upon their heads. Option number A. In Topsy-Turvy Land the sea is made up of sand. Option number B. In Topsy-Turvy Land the children go to school at night. Option number C. In Topsy-Turvy Land front door step is behind at the back. Okay, so option number D. In Topsy-Turvy Land you are walking when you stand. Option number B. In Topsy-Turvy Land you wear your hat. Option number C. Upon your feet. Now 7th one, in Topsy-Turvy Land the buses travel on the sea. Option number D. In Topsy-Turvy Land the boat travel on the road. Option number A. In Topsy-Turvy Land you pay for what you never get. Option number C. And the last one, Topsy-Turvy Land when you go you are coming back. Option number B. Now write 4 words from the poem that rhyme with the word land. Okay, so the word land, the rhyming words in that poem is like sand, stand, plant, grant. Okay, that is all the rhyming words of that land. Now write the meanings of these words. Like Topsy-Turvy, that is called upside down, जिसे हम कहते हैं सब कुछ उल्टा सीधा. Now to plan means जिसके लिए पहले से कोई प्रॉपर आइडिया या फिर अरेंजमेंट करके रखते हैं, जैसे कि हमें कहीं घूमने जाना है तो उसके लिए पहले से अरेंजमेंट करके रखते हैं, that is called a plan. So make arrangement for something, that is called a plan. Now grand means बहुत ज़्यादा, big, enjoy time, very happy time, that is called a grand. Okay, so this is the workbook solution of Topsy-Turvy Land. Now we are going to ending here. Bye bye, take care.